Listen up, you beautiful renegade. The loudest one in the room isn't the one with the power, it's the one screaming for attention. Real game changers know how to wage war behind the curtain, where the noise can't drown out their moves. You want to dominate? Master the art of subtlety. Forget the fireworks and fanfare. Move in shadows. Let your actions whisper, not blare. While the world obsesses over noise, you'll be stacking your wins in silence, unbothered and undetected. Everyone's busy advertising their hustle, broadcasting every step like a reality show. You're the storm they never saw coming. Stop announcing your every move. Let your results hit like a sucker punch. Unexpected, undeniable, and unforgettable. People can't sabotage what they can't see. You want to be unstoppable? Be unpredictable. Smile while you strategize. Let your silence unsettle them, make them question their own noise. The real rebellion isn't about shouting. It's about choosing your moments, holding your cards close, and striking when it matters most. Don't just play the game. Bend it, break it, and rebuild it, all without making a sound.